Firecracker, this is your fireworks. I am back. I just completed this little Bantu goddess look, and I wanted to show you guys how I added hair to my real Bantu knots, as well as added accessories. So if you're interested, keep watching. All I see is fireworks. All I see is fireworks. I've done 1, 2, and 3. I got to do the rest of my hair. The rest of the Bantu knots is my real hair. And my friend's cousin did it for me for free. I saw Rihanna had this little high fashion look that I want to do, but I wasn't really feeling it with my real hair because I have, okay, my hair probably starts at my armpit now when stretched, but with this Bantu knots, it looked like I am a little bald-headed little baby. So I went and got some crocheted hair so that I can have one that has the loop, and I have it that's already twisted, so I don't have to go through any extra work like any other people do. They'll probably buy some braided hair and braid it with their hair. I don't know how to braid, so we're not gonna do that. Enough talking, let's do this. All right, put you down. Got my little loop. Take a loop. Okay, see what's wrong with the mirror. Put it around my hair, and I'm just gonna try to go around. Then till I work in the skirt. Right now I can put a little plain little tube on this one I just did. Some rhinestones that I got on the front right here, and I have some normal one. I just open it up and big spot. Wow. I hope this not too tacky. I'm trying to look like a goddess out here, like just a black, dark skinned goddess. So let me come back. Let me do my next one, and I'm gonna come back with the string for y'all. Making sure that it is even before I start on this one. This one looking all janky because I messed up before I even started the video. Starting the middle of the born here and hanging right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist this string, bring the tube to the back, twist this string, bring the tube to the back, twist this string, bring the tube to the back, all the way down. I'm just gonna do the same thing. Just crisscrossing to the back. I tied this to knot when I was done. Okay, I'm gonna do one right here. Goes. And secure it. Boom. Anyways, I'm gonna finish the rest of this because I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing all over again. It's a matter of coordination. We're gonna see. This is the final look. So I'm not gonna lie, I started getting a little lazy. I was wasting too much time in the bag. I just want to say, when I went to the hair store, I had picked up some hair in the color 4, thinking that I had brown hair. I got home, I was so disappointed. I had to go and buy some more hair. So this is in a 2. So that concludes the video. Thank you guys for watching. I need to put more content out there. I need to show you guys my apartment that I had since March. It's so much. I'm sorry, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that. And just like fireworks, you are popping. Don't let anybody tell you any different. See you guys later. Bye.
This time I'm really going off fireworks. Today it begins.